Okay, we're going to have a word problem here related distance, rate, time. So let's have someone do this for us. Go ahead.
John leaves his house at 7 a.m. His sister Mary leaves the house at 8:30 a.m. and tries to catch up with John. She is walking 2 kilometers per hour faster than him on the same route in the same direction. If they both kept on the same route, Mary could reach John 3 hours after she left. Find John and Mary's speed.
All right, thank you. So what we're going to do now is to fill out this chart here. Distance is equal to rate times time. And then in this chart, I'm going to use J here for John and M for Mary. I'm going to start filling out the information we know in this chart. By the way, the solution to this problem also is under this link. You can go back and review them if you like in different form. So can somebody tell me what do we need to fill out here? What's known by reading this problem? What's the first thing you're going to put in here? X. Someone says X. So you want to let X equal to what? Rate of
John.
Okay, so you want to let X equal to how fast John goes. That makes sense. So do we know the relationship between how fast John goes and it relates to how fast Mary goes? You do, right? It says 2 kilometers per hour faster. So this must be X plus 2 then. That's how you can fill out the rate. Now, the time. Do we know the time for Mary? What is it? Time for Mary is given to me right here is 3. Now, how do you figure out the time for John? It would be 3 plus what? 1.5. Because the difference between 7 a.m. and 8:30 is 1.5 hours. So you have to add 1.5 hours here. That would be the time for John. So the distance that John covers would be rate times time. So this would be equal to 4.5. This is 4.5. So I'm going to write this as 4.5x. So what would be the distance for Mary? Anybody? 3 times x plus 2. Very good. All right. The distance that John covers, we already figured, is 4.5x. Must be equal to the distance that Mary covers, would be 3 times x plus 2. Now we have to solve for x to find the rate. So here we're going to distribute. We get 3x plus 6 is equal to 4.5x. We can subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. So we get 4.5x minus 3x is equal to 6. So here I get 1.5x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 over 1.5. This is equal to 4. Now don't forget, you need to put the units here. What would be unit here? Yeah, so that would be kilometers per hour. That would be the rate or speed of who? John. And then what would be the rate for Mary? I'm going to add 2 to that. That would be 4x plus 2, which is equal to 4 plus 2 would be 6 kilometers per hour. You can write this in Word, whole sentence, but that's how you solve it.